Here are the 5 secrets to making great videos. As a 60-second video marketing tip, that will give your 2022 a little jumpstart. The funny thing is, these secrets are all about being good to make great videos. So first, you've got to start with a good intention, right? Hopefully you intend to make somebody's life a little bit better, answer a little question with your video. Second, you need to tell a good story. Nothing epic, nothing fancy. The truth is, most relevant real-life stories are actually quite good, quite listenable, and quite interesting. Third, your video needs good sound and good light. It's not difficult, but it's critical. Get yourself a little light, make sure you have a decent microphone to talk into, and you're all set to go. Next, you'll want a good CTA, or call to action, right? Let people know what to do next. And fifth, you'll want to encourage good social sharing, because that's where the money comes from. So make something worth sharing, because the more the word spreads, the more customers you attract. Simple. See? The 5 secrets to being great are really pretty simple, really pretty easy. It's just about doing good. And in business, this is the year for video. This could be your year for video. Would you like some support? Well, you could learn about our upcoming 21-day video marketing jumpstart. Just go to socialjumpstart.com/join, and I'll see you in the next video.